Hello, good afternoon, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Students, today we are going to learn History second lesson, Prehistoric Period. These topics are mentioned in this lesson. Number 1, Asian Indian geographical background, prehistoric period, Mesolithic to Neolithic, Chalcolithic age, excavation sites in Maharashtra. We will know about prehistoric humans' life and the Stone Age. We will understand how early humans lived, how they made tools, discovered fire, started farming domesticated animals, and gradually built villages and civilizations. We will learn about the Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, and Chalcolithic ages in see how humans' life changed from a nomadic life to settled life. By the end this lesson, you will understand how geography, agriculture, innovations, and humans' intelligence help in the development of civilization. Let's begin our journey into the past. Imagine a world with no mobile phones, cars, toys, houses, schools and roads. Early humans lived in very difficult world. They had to find food, water and shelter on their own. उन्हें खुद से ही ढूंढना होता था अपना shelter, अपने लिए food. ठीक है? Childrens, this activity help us understand how difficult the life of early human was. Early humans faced many difficulties. Humans being slowly changed from nomadic life to settled life. Ancient India geographical background. Geographical background also helped them to cultivate the village. See, we have a river, soil, climates, minerals, mountains, seashore, sea beaches. The geographical conditions of regions decide what people grow, when they live, and which animals they keep and how they travel and communicate. India has a great diversity. The Himalayas protect the country from cold winds and storms coming from the north. Look at this picture. Yeah, this is Himalaya mountain. Himalaya mountains cover north part of India. North India is generally cooler and drier, while South India is hotter and more humid. This is South India. Say here is a hotter region. क्योंकि यहाँ पे बर्फ होती है हिमालय में तो ये जो है कूलर रीजन है ठीक है एंड ऑल्सो इन इंडिया here is a fertile soil help agriculture grow. The central India plateau and the Ganga Yamuna plains were very fertile. Fertile means बच्चे जो नदी के किनारे की जो मिट्टी हो जाती है ना जो सॉइल हो जाती है वो बिल्कुल सॉफ्ट होती है दिस इज दैट इज गुड फॉर एग्रीकल्चर एंड ब्लैक सॉइल इज वेरी फर्टाइल rivers such as the Godavari and Krishna help people establish settlements and agriculture. तो ये जो नदियां थी जो रिवर्स थे ये लोग हेल्प करते थे कि एग्रीकल्चर इजी हो जाए ह्यूमंस को एग्रीकल्चर में और सेटल रहने में हेल्प करते एंड ऑल्सो हियर इज अरब सी अरबियन सी एंड बे ऑफ बंगाल अरबियन सी और बे ऑफ बंगाल sea trade developed between Indian and distant regions. People exchange good ideas and culture because of here is Arabian Sea and here Bay of Bengal. Prehistoric period means this period is known as the prehistoric period. In the previous lesson, you learned that the period during which scripts were not in use. This term as the prehistoric period. जब स्क्रिप्ट नहीं आई थी जब लिखना नहीं सीखे थे ना ह्यूमन से तो उसे prehistoric period कहते हैं. Homo habilis. Homo habilis means first humans who made सिंपल स्टोन टूल्स होमो इरेक्टस इन्वेंशन ऑफ फायर ठीक है यहाँ पे आग होमो इरेक्टस ने आग का इन्वेंशन किया नेएंडरथल मैन मींस स्ट्रॉन्ग ह्यूमन हु लिव इन कोल्ड रीजन्स एंड हंटेड एनिमल्स होमो सेपियंस मींस इंटेलिजेंट ह्यूमन होमो सेपियंस मींस nowadays modern humans okay the stone age the period in which tools made by humans were primarily of stone is termed as a stone age. Paleolithic age means people in Paleolithic age were entirely dependent on nature. In this period, they stayed either in caves or on the branches of large trees. The most significant discovery in human history is the discovery of using fire. In this period, they discovered fire. आग जलाना सीख चुके थे. Mesolithic to Neolithic. Mesolithic age में क्या हुआ था बच्चे? Look at during this period, Homo sapiens sought shelter in natural caves and rock shelters. Human began to stay assembled at such places together in groups. And also, humans now began to utilize various types of stones for tool making. These tools proved useful for a wide range of activities including hunting, fishing, harvesting. They also began to make sharp tools by grinding and polishing. This period marks a transitional phase in the journey from a nomadic way of life to a settled one. यहाँ पे वो settle होने लगे, रुकने लगे. यहाँ पे इन्वेंशन क्या हुआ बच्चे? इन्होंने इन्होंने टेक्निक सीखी, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सीखी, ठीक है. न्यूलिथिक एज फर्दर द प्रोग्रेसेस was made in the tool making technique. A new type of stones tools called axe was made in this period. उन्होंने axe बनाना जो खेती के लिए यूज होता है वो axe वो ये लोग सीख चुके थे. The most of important development during this period was the progresses in एग्रीकल्चर टेक्नोलॉजी. एग्रीकल्चर में एक्सपर्ट हो चुके थे. ग्रेजुअली दे सेटल एट वन प्लेस टू लॉन्गर स्पेन ऑफ टाइम. ड्यूरिंग दिस स्पैन ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर ऑपरेशंस फ्रॉम सोविंग टू हार्वेस्टिंग इट बिकम नेसेसरी फॉर देम टू रिमेन इन वन प्लेस. ग्रेजुअली दे सेटल एट वन प्लेस फॉर लॉन्गर स्पेन of time. Credited to have the started cultivation. They might have used pointed sticks to sow seeds. Women are credited to have started cultivation. They might have used pointed sticks to sow seeds. तो यहाँ पे women का योगदान रहा agriculture में. Along with agriculture, humans learned to domesticate animals. Some animals were used for hard work and for carrying heavy loads. तो यहाँ पे उन्होंने pets रखना शुरू कर दिया जो एग्रीकल्चर में उन्हें हेल्प करे. In the Neolithic age, along with the advancement of agriculture, people began to settle down in the fertile regions along the river banks. नदी के किनारे इनके विलेज जो थे, इनके जो गांव है बसने लगे नदी के किनारे. The institutions of family began to take shape during this period. Family बनने लगे यहाँ से family. Chalcolithic age, human discovered the use of copper in Chalcolithic period. ठीक है, कॉपर का इन्वेंशन हो गया, यहाँ पे यूज करने लगे. However, the stone tools still remained in use. For this reason, this period is designed as the Chalcolithic age या इसे copper stone age भी कहते हैं. Wheel was invented during the Chalcolithic age. अब यहाँ पर wheels का invention हुआ. Important excavation site. Excavation sites in Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, sites associated with the Chalcolithic culture have been found on the river banks such as the Tapi, Godavari, Krishna, Bhima and Paravana. Excavations at these sites have provided various objects including stone, tools, pottery, copper objects and large handmade storage jars. Here is some excavation sites है बच्चे. Archaeological एविडेंस है, यहाँ पे कुछ एविडेंस है फ्रॉम एक्सकवेशंस, यहाँ कुछ एविडेंस मिले. ठीक है, दैट्स ऑल स्टूडेंट्स. Our lesson has finished. These notes are short summary of complete lesson. Okay. तो Paleolithic age इसे Old Stone Age भी कहते हैं. They discover and use fire of cooking food, keeping warm and protecting from animals. ठीक है. Mesolithic age means Middle Stone Age. ठीक है, इसे ये भी कहते हैं. तो they started hunting, fishing. ठीक है, सोशल लाइफ. न्यूलिथिक एज न्यू स्टोन एज भी कहते हैं बच्चे. फार्मिंग, दे स्टार्टेड फार्मिंग. डोमेस्टिकेशन ऑफ एनिमल्स. ठीक है, पॉलिश स्टोन टूल्स, पॉटरी मेकिंग. ठीक है, आर्ट, कल्चर, लाइफ इन न्यूलिथिक एज. तो दिस इज अ वेरी शॉर्ट समरी. दिस विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू फॉर योर मार्क्स टू मेक योर आंसर लुक गुड. दैट्स ऑल. जल्दी जल्दी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पे आते हैं बच्चे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, राइट द नेम. ठीक है, question number 2, match the pairs. Question number 3, complete the following chart. Question number 4, write 2 characteristics for each of the following ages. Question number 5, answer the following questions. Question number 6, suppose you wish to purchase a new house, what essential necessities would you consider before buying it? एग्जाम्पल वाटर सप्लाई, ठीक है, एजुकेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस ब्रीफली। ठीक है, इसको आपको ब्रीफ में आंसर देना है।